Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. The COSTWAY portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. Today, we'll explore their key features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or just need a compact laundry solution, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The COSTWAY portable washing machine features a twin-tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it ideal for efficient laundry routines. In contrast, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, which enhances its portability and storage capabilities, making it perfect for travel and small spaces. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY machine offers a total of 20 pounds, with 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 Ls, which is great for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear, but may not handle larger laundry loads as effectively. The COSTWAY portable washing machine includes timer controls for flexible wash and spin times, providing users with more control over their laundry. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine offers multiple cleaning modes and a removable spin-dry basket, catering to various laundry needs and enhancing its versatility. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and twin-tub functionality, while the portable washing machine excels in portability and ease of storage. We hope this comparison helped you decide which washing machine suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.